Hey, did you know that my Instagram really works like a mini book? So if you are gonna be visiting my Instagram, go all the way down if you're the absolute beginner just starting learning Korean. So in these pink and blue posts, I review speech styles. So speech styles are very, very important when you're learning Korean for the first time. And what I did was I included real life examples, and you're gonna see like the N and then the I. So N stands for novice, absolute beginner. I for the intermediate level learners. And I try to differentiate the lessons and try to give you different challenge tasks here. So when you look at the first layout, for instance, these two videos are from TikTok, but just for Instagram, I have word review in the middle like this. And these words actually connected to each other in the sequence of the story that I was telling on TikTok. And at the end of each post, I do have a caption where I'm giving a challenge question that I'm inviting you to answer in Korean, and then I will just check and reply to your sentences, right?